For chicken biryani, we need 300 grams of chicken washed and cleaned thoroughly, 1 large sized onion chopped roughly, and 3 green chillies, 4 to 5 pieces of any pickle you have. Here I am using mango pickle, but you can use chili pickle or mixed pickle, any pickle that you have. 6 to 7 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or zeera, 7 to 8 long or cloves, 3 cardamoms, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 bay leaves. The red chili powder I am using is very strong in taste, so that is why I use less. Plus I am using pickle and green chilies, that is why I am using a little bit less quantity. You can use according to how strong your red chili powder is. Now take 100 grams of oil in a pan and switch on the flame on high. Now add the onions and let them turn golden brown. We have to wait till the onions turn golden brown. But we are adding the long, the zeera and the cardamoms and the bay leaves. Now this is after 2 minutes of frying the onions. We did not add them right in the beginning. Now as you can see, the onions have turned golden brown and it's time to add the ginger garlic paste. And to this we will add the chicken. This is 300 grams of chicken. And to this we will add the green chilies, the salt and red chili powder. And we will mix it. It's been 5 minutes since this is cooking, and now we'll add some water to this. You can see the oil has separated nicely and the chicken has changed its color. And now we'll add the pickle to this. You can use any pickle. I like green chili or red chili pickle, but I don't have it basically right now, so I'm using a mango pickle right here. You can use any pickle, whatever pickle you like. Now just place the lid on it and let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. It's been almost 12 minutes and I'm going to open it, and I'll put the flame on high because we need to saute it. Bhunna hai basically, we need to saute it till the water is further reduced. So the trick of sauteing or bhunna is that it should start sticking, the masala should start sticking to the bottom of the pan, and the oil should separate very nicely. That is when the taste of the dish comes. Okay. So now as you can see, the water has reduced. Almost half of the water is reduced, and now we will switch off the flame. Our chicken is ready now and we will keep it on the side. So now it's time to prepare the rice for the chicken biryani. For this we need, this is soaked basmati rice or any good biryani rice. This is 400 grams and I have soaked it for 2 hours at least. 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 to 6 tablespoons of curd, and 1/4 teaspoon of orange food color or zarda color. 2 teaspoons of kewda, which will be used at the end of the recipe. Now take a big bhagona and fill it with at least 8 to 10 cups of water or half of its capacity, and then add this salt, 2 teaspoons full of salt to this. So now you can see that we have removed the water from the rice, and here the water has started boiling. It took almost 12 to 15 minutes for the water to come to a boil, and we will add the rice. Once the water is piping hot, it's boiling like this. Now we will wait for the rice to cook till 80%. In the meanwhile, we will mix the orange food color and the curd. So now, as you can see, our rice has been cooking for the past 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to check the rice. The rice has now cooked to 80% almost. Now our rice is done. We're going to put the gas on low flame and we're going to strain the water so that we can then do the layering. So now, as you can see, there is no water except the water that is maybe a little bit cut down, but there's no water, and to this we are adding the chicken that we had prepared earlier. Our first layer is of rice, second is of chicken from the bottom, and then third again is of rice. We will spread the rice. Now we are going to spread this curd on top of this rice. Our flame will be on high for 4 minutes, and post that we will turn the flame to low. So now it's been almost 4 minutes. We are going to put the flame on low and let it cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. So now it's been 8 to 10 minutes since we lowered the flame, and now we are going to switch off the flame and add the kewda. So here our flame goes off and we are going to add. You can see how lovely this looks, and it's smelling heaven. It's smelling really nice. So I'll just drizzle. We have just drizzled some kewda on it, and we are going to let it rest for another 5 minutes before we open it, and then it will be ready to be served. Now it's been almost 5 minutes since we drizzled the kewda, and now we are going to mix it. It smells heavenly. It looks heavenly, and I'm sure it will taste so good. Mix it with a light hand. Our delicious chicken biryani with an Achaari twist is ready to be served.